What if I told you there's a currency no government controls, and it once made ordinary people millionaires overnight? This is Bitcoin, and here are 5 shocking facts you probably didn't know. Fact 1. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto. To this day, nobody knows who they really are. Imagine creating something worth trillions and then disappearing. Fact 2. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. That's it. No more can ever be created. This limited supply is what makes Bitcoin so valuable, just like digital gold. Fact 3. In 2010, someone used Bitcoin to buy pizza. They paid 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. Today, that amount would be worth millions of dollars. That's officially the most expensive pizza in history. Fact 4. Bitcoin runs on a technology called blockchain. It's a public digital ledger that records every transaction, making it transparent, secure, and nearly impossible to hack. Fact 5. Some countries have actually accepted Bitcoin as legal money. For example, El Salvador made Bitcoin an official currency in 2021. You can literally buy coffee there using Bitcoin. So, is Bitcoin the future of money, or just a risky experiment? Tell me what you think in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more mind-blowing facts.